Okay, hello students, 1301 students. This video is designed to help you get 100 on the annotated bibliography quiz. And my goal is to, in the shortest amount of time possible, to give you information that will help you get 100. Okay, so in order to successfully complete your annotated bibliography and to learn just what to do, you need to go to find those examples in unit, I think it's in 4.1. So click on 4.1 and there you have examples, essay number 3. Okay, how to write a good annotated bibliography. Here's examples. So click on that example, download it on your computer, open it, and you will see here that this annotated bibliography has a proper heading, a title, and here is the first article this student found, and this is properly cited according to MLA rules. And this is where some students get tripped up and lose a lot of points. You have to have this correct. You have to cite this correctly according to MLA rules. This is the last name of the author, the first name of the author, a period. The title of the article is in parentheses because this is an article, not a book. It's an article in a journal or a magazine. And then here's the name of the journal, the New York Times, which is a newspaper. This is the date it was written, and this is the place where the student accessed it in the e-library. So then the student begins to give their summary of the article. So this is where the student just tells what they read in a concise format. They just give the key pieces of information. And this part is the commentary. This is the part where the student, I'm highlighting it, this is the part where the student now gives their, that's in blue, highlighted in blue, these are the students' opinion, ideas, and the important information that belongs there. This is the commentary. This is the commentary. These are annotations. Annotations are just notes. Notes on this article by Matt Ritchell. So in the student's commentary, the student is going to make sure that they give examples of how they will use this article by Matt Ritchell. So the student is going to show, how will I use this in my essay? How will I cite it? What is important about it that could help me in my argument when I write essay number 4? How I'm going to use it. So this is an important element, and another important element to include in the commentary is why the student thinks the author wrote this article. Why do you think the author wrote it? And give your opinion. That is one of the most important things that you can include, telling why the author wrote it. You need to explain in this commentary how you will use this article. Maybe this article will work for your counter argument. Maybe it goes against your opinion, or maybe this article will help support what your argument is. So tell how you will use it. Now, when you're looking for articles, you don't always find an article that's 100% what you want. So if it's not 100% what you want, you don't want to include it in the annotated bibliography because it's just a waste. Now, I don't really mean 100%, but if if the article is not something you can use, you're just wasting your time and effort. So you don't want to include it. What you want to do is try your best to keep looking and find what you need. So keep looking and find what you need. Now, while you're looking though, don't forget about this source that maybe you don't like so much, because you could perhaps take that source and use it for your counter argument. You could perhaps figure out a way that you could use it when you write essay number 4 and as you are supporting your argument. So there are some ways that you can include it. Okay, so remember, students, there are 3 key items that have to be included in your annotated bibliography. And annotated just means note. This is the bibliography, the citation, the article that you use. That's the bibliography. These are the annotations, which are just notes. Now, this is the summary. We've already done summary and response, so you know how to write a summary. You remember it's not a book report. You include key things, no quotes. Please do not include up here how you will use it. Wait until you get to your comments, and that's where you include that information. But this is the format that your paper should take. The only problem with this bibliography is that it does not have indentation. So I'm going to hit tab and indent. And I don't know if this was just somehow removed when it was uploaded into Blackboard, but all of your annotated bibliographies should look like this. You should have indentation. You should have first the citation, which is the bibliography part. You should have the summary, that's number 2. And number 3, a paragraph with your comments. This is your summary and response. But it's your comments, so we call this a commentary also. This is the commentary, that's the summary, this is the bibliography. Okay, so I hope I did include everything you need to know to get 100 on your upcoming quiz. But if you have any other questions, make sure that you ask.